Good morning, everyone. First, tell me that you can hear me. Can you hear me? All hear me. Okay, very good. So all are fine. Enjoyed rainy days. Enjoyed rainy days. Okay, good. So as you all know that this is moral science period, but I missed some classes of English 1, Monday, then last Thursday. So I am taking English 1. Okay. So students, this lesson 20 I started in my past sessions. I explained you simple tenses and continuous tenses. Simple tenses, 3 are there: simple present, simple past, and simple future. Continuous tenses, present continuous, past continuous, and future continuous. So these two I explained you, and I told you that for continuous tense we use helping verbs. Which helping verbs? Is, are, am for present continuous tense, was and were for the past continuous tense, and will, be, shall be we use for future continuous. Okay, so that's all clear. So today, without wasting my time, I'll start with perfect tenses. Perfect tenses. So perfect tenses are also 3: present perfect tense, past perfect tense, future perfect tense. Okay, so what is the perfect tense? The perfect tense expresses action that is already completed. The perfect tense expresses action that is already completed, whether in the present, past, or coming future. It's time to going to complete. Okay, so this is perfect tense. Now the first I'll start with present perfect tense. I will start with this present perfect tense. The example of the present perfect tense. This is the example I am writing over here. So in this sentence, I have done my homework. This example I have written here. Okay. Now, first what I will do, I will find the verb in this. So what is the verb here? You can see 2 verbs are there. One is helping and one is main verb. So as I told that you will use those helping verbs in the continuous tense. Same way, you will use helping verb in perfect tenses also. How? Which are they? Here, helping verbs. Okay. These are helping verbs. Has or have for the present perfect tense. Had for the past perfect tense. Shall have, will have for the future perfect tense. Okay. So perfect tenses also need helping verbs to make sentence. Okay, perfect tense. So here I have done my work. This have done. What are these? These are verbs. These are verbs. So this have done tells in the sentence that the state of doing work or action is completed at the time of speaking, or you can say the present action that is started in the past and finished just now. So that is known as present perfect tense. It's clear? It's clear to all? Okay. So this kind of verb is known as present perfect tense. And by using this third form of the verb, third form means this is the third form. Do, then did, and done. Okay, this is the first form, this is the second form, and this is the third form. Third form is past participle. This is third form. So with the third form, we use after the helping verb. This is the helping verb. After helping verb, we use third form of the verb for making perfect tenses. Is clear? Present perfect tense is clear? Now, the next is past perfect tense. Next is past perfect tense. So, the second example I am going to give you. Let me grab it first. Then. Now, here I have given you one example. Now I am going to explain you past perfect. So what is past perfect? Same way, the verb had done. The verb had done tells in the sentence that the state of doing work, the state of doing work or action is completed in the certain time of the past before the second action began. You see, first action is I had done my homework. Okay, this is the first action. This is finished. Before the second action is the teacher came in the class. The teacher came in the class. This is the second action. Before that, past perfect tense completed. The state of doing work is completed before, in the certain time in the past, before the second action began. So that is the past perfect tense. So the verb had done tells the verb is known as past perfect tense. The same way, using the third form of the verb after the auxiliary verb. Auxiliary means helping verb. This is the helping verb and this is the main verb. Okay, this is the third form used after helping verb. So it is formed past perfect tense. Now the third one, future perfect tense. So for the future perfect tense, what you will do? Wait, just I'm giving you example. You see the example, it will be easy to understand that. Now look here. Present perfect tense over, past perfect tense over. Now you come for the future perfect tense. So what is the future perfect tense? I have given the example over here. First, what you have to see the verb in this. So as you know, will and shall be used for the future tense. Along with that, we use have and then the third form. Okay, so first is shall, then have, and the third form. So I shall have done my work by evening. Okay, so this is shall have done. The third form is used for the future perfect tense. Means the state of being, this sentence, this verb tell us the action of doing work will be completed at the certain time in the future. The action of doing work will be completed at the certain time in the future. Is that correct? Got it, everyone? Yes or no? Just response to me. Understood, all of you? Okay. So, the auxiliary verb shall have and will have are the sign of future perfect tense. Okay? Is that clear to all? Is it clear to all? Okay. So just one more line to explain about the present perfect tense. The present perfect tense expresses an action that is completed in the past, but it is also connected with the present. So an action that has just completed, that is present perfect tense. Past perfect tense, the action which has been started in the past, okay, and it's finished, completed before the second action took place. Example, I had played football in the field before the rain to start. Okay, so this way the action which is done before the second action took place. Then future perfect tense is the completion of an action that to be done at a certain time, at a certain period in the future. And that always come with by. Now look here, by only written over here, by evening, by then, by next month, by the 10th of the next month, or by the next year. So this way the by word we use for the future perfect tense. Now clear? We can proceed. I have to go because my classes are missed. So we can do exercises now. We can do exercises now. So please take a pencil in a hand. Take a pencil. All are having English 1 book with you. You got the message? Okay. So take a pencil in the hand. Now I will ask you and write the answer on the board. So one by one, I will ask you the answer from you all. Okay. Don't hide yourself. Don't run away. Just sit and answer to me. If it will be wrong, don't worry. I will explain you why it is wrong and what will be the correct answer. Okay. So don't worry. Don't hesitate and run away from there. Don't do that. Give me wrong answer. I will make you correct. Okay. I can't touch you. I can't do anything to you. Okay. You are free at home. So whether the right answer or the wrong answer, you give to me. Listen to me. Answer to me. And if it will be wrong, I'll make you correct. Understood? Let me rub first. Please do your work very neatly and correctly. Okay, student? Because that you have to learn for exam. And most of the part you do in the book. Copy you do only letters, stories, essays, definitions. Other everything you do in the book, exercises. So please note down very carefully and correctly. Okay. So the first one, exercise. All look in your book, page number 84. Please open page number 84. The first one, first exercise. Recognize the tense of the verb in each of the following sentences. Also write it on given lines. This you understood what you have to do. Anybody can explain me? No. Ayush can explain? Yes, Ayush. Unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. What do you have to do in this exercise?
Ma'am, we can recognize the tenses.
Recognize the tense of the verb in each of the following sentences.
Ma'am, what is the tense of the word?
Also, you have to tell, okay, which kind of tense it is. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So first mute yourself, Ayush. Mute yourself. Okay. Now the first one, who will answer? Ayushi. Ayushi, answer to me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Good morning, Ayushi. Enjoying
Good morning.
rainy days. Water logging is still there in your areas? Water logging? No. Okay. Okay, Ayushi, the first answer of this sentence, the sun sets in the west.
Miss, present simple tense.
Present simple tense. Okay. Which is the verb in this sentence? Verb. Find the verb. Then only you can tell which tense it is. How did you answer to me? Ayushi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. How you
Yes,
have
my
answered?
teacher is there. Tuition he has written in that, ma'am.
Okay. Teacher has made you write the answer, but did not tell you why it is simple present tense.
No, ma'am.
No. This is what the reason I want to tell you. Ishika. Okay, Ayushi, mute yourself. Ishika.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ishika.
Miss, set is the word.
In this sentence, sets is the verb. Underline
Yes, ma'am.
word. Sets. Underline the verb. Now you write down. Okay. In this plan, write. Simple present tense. Write down simple present tense. First underline sets. Underline this word and then write this.
Miss, underline.
All underline?
Yes.
Ishika, mute yourself. Okay. Now, next one, who will answer to me? Ayush Chaudhary. Okay, Ayush Chaudhary of FC. Answer. Which is the verb over here? Unmute yourself. The new light bulbs consume less electricity.
Yes, ma'am.
Which is the verb over here?
Ma'am, the verb is less electricity.
No. That is not the verb in this. Sushanta. Sushanta? Just reply. Yes, reply to me fast.
Ma'am, here verb is consume.
Consume. Consume means to take, to use something. So consume is here verb. Now, which tense it is?
Ma'am, continuous tense.
No. ing is used. When ing is there, then it is continuous. Consume. It's the past
Ma'am,
tense.
present.
Is the past tense word? No. Why? Because the word is not consumed. If D will there, then that is a past tense. But no S and no D, no ing, then that means this
Present.
is simple present tense.
Present tense.
Underline consume first. Now mute yourself, all of you. This. Underline. And now write here. This is again simple present tense. Second one over. Now third one. First I will read for you, then you answer, okay? The police were running after the thieves. Who will? Anshi Dubey. Come on, reply. Answer.
Miss, here were running is the verb and it is past continuous tense.
It is verbs are were running. As helping verbs are used, helping verb is used and ing is used. So this is continuous tense. So which continuous tense? Past continuous. Okay? Write down. Correct. First underline. Underline this word. Okay, then write. Please extend this line. Okay. Spelling of continuous. CONTINUOUS. NUOUS. 1 minute, Shania, 1 minute. Written this. You have underlined where running. This is the verb in the sentence. And here the sentence, these verbs are past continuous tense. Now, Shania. Okay. Come on. Say. First read the sentence. Fourth one. Your voice, I'm not.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. Read, Shania. Fourth.
The leader has delivered the speech.
The leader had
Ma'am, verb is
delivered
had
the
delivered.
speech. So now, verb. What is verb here?
Had delivered is the verb.
Had delivered.
Had delivered.
Only. Had delivered.
Past,
Now, which tense it is? Which tense?
past perfect tense.
Past perfect tense. So, why it is past perfect tense? Because had
It has
is
done in the
used.
past.
Had is used. Had delivered. So, this is past perfect tense. So, mute yourself, Shahana, na? What was Shania? Okay, mute. Now, had, underline, had, delivered. Underline this word, these two words, had, delivered. Which tense? Past, perfect tense. Right, past perfect tense. Just now I explained you. For the past perfect tense, we use helping verb had. And we have not to see whether subject is singular or plural. Only we have to use had over there. Okay? Finish. Now, fifth one. Snigdha. Snigdha, yes. Speak.
Miss,
First read. First read.
I dreamed a strange dream.
I dreamed a strange dream. Now, which is the verb over here?
Miss dreamed.
Dreamed. T is there.
Yes.
Underline. Underline this word. After subject, dreamed. T. Look carefully. T is there. Dreamed. Okay. Now, which tense it is? Should
Miss
be
past simple tense.
now, which tense?
Miss past simple tense.
Simple past tense. This is simple past tense. Aradhya Singh. First you stop eating. First you stop eating. Later you have after this period. Okay. Write down. Simple past tense. Why it is simple past tense? Because this is simple second form of verb. Second form of verb.
Second form of word.
Dreamed. Okay. If it will be like this, had, dreamed, then it will be past perfect. Okay. Yes. Mute yourself. Who will answer the next one? Akriti Singh. Okay. Akriti. Answer. Mute yourself. Unmute yourself, Akriti. Akriti Singh, 5th C. Yes. Speak. First, unmute yourself.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, Akriti. Now, first read number 6.
I shall go tomorrow.
I shall go tomorrow.
Go tomorrow.
Which are the verbs over here?
We shall.
Only shall.
Shall go.
Shall go. Always remember, helping verb always come with a third form. So don't take only shall go. Underline. shall go. Which tense it is, Akriti?
Miss future
Simple future tense.
tense.
Okay, this is simple future tense.
Tense.
Right now.
Simple future tense.
Right. Over?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I rub the board now?
Yes, ma'am.
Please check your answers.
Yes,
Please check
ma'am.
your answers. You have correctly underlined and written correctly. Spelling of continuous is seen here and U-O-U-S.
Okay,
Not
ma'am.
L-O-U-S. Okay? Okay, Akriti, now mute yourself. Akriti, mute yourself.
Not unmuting.
After giving answer, please mute yourself, everyone. Dev Mishra, I can't see you. Ritika Kumari, I can't see you. Aradhya Pandey, Swastik Singh. Why you people are hiding yourself? If this way you will hide, I'll make it mark absent in the register. I will mark absent. Okay, now who will answer number 7? Who will answer? Nobody.
Miss.
Who is raising hand? Yes. Yes, now. This boy, Ahad Khan. Ahad. Yes. Ahad. Reply. Ahad. Ahad Khan. Can you hear me? Yes. Reply. First read number 7. Read.
It is raining heavily.
And the other is also.
Raining heavily.
Please. Ahad.
Ma'am, it is raining heavily.
Pragati, you just mute yourself.
Yes, miss.
Pragati, you, yes. Now, Ahad Khan, speak.
Yes,
Read. It is raining
raining heavily.
heavily. Now, what is
Yes.
the, which is verb here?
Ma'am, raining.
Only raining.
E.
Only.
Ma'am, is raining.
Huh?
Ma'am, is raining.
Is raining. The verbs are is raining. Underline word is raining. Right? Just underline it. It's raining. Is raining. Which tense it is? Ahad? Which tense?
Future.
Ma'am, past tense.
Past tense.
Present continuous tense.
Which tense, Ahad?
Ma'am, it is raining, ma'am.
It is.
Ma'am,
Present continuous
It
tense.
is. So present. Ing. So continuous. Is continuous. Sorry.
Present
Is
continuous.
raining. Is the present helping verb. And raining is continuous. So present continuous. How it is past continuous. Okay. Come on, right. Unmute yourself, all of you. First mute. Ahad, mute.
Present continuous tense.
Yes. Mute yourself, I said. Write this. Underline first. Is raining and write present continuous tense. Mute yourself. Who is that? Not muting. Now, next. Shelly Singh. Answer. You unmute yourself, Shelly. Read. Number 8. Read number 8. Shelly Singh. Where are you? Why not answering? Come on, Shelly Singh. Reply to me. Esther Rawson. Esther Rawson. Read number 8.
They will be quarreling with
Your voice is very low. Please make it higher. Come near the speaker. Yes.
they will be quarreling with each other.
They will be quarreling with each other. Which other tense? Which are the verbs over here?
Will be.
Huh?
Will be.
Only will be. Only will be.
Will be quarreling.
Will be quarreling. Underline. Underline. Will be quarreling. Always don't take only helping verb. If helping verbs are there, you have to take helping verb as well the main verb. If you will take only one verb, then you will get 0 in your exam this way. Okay? So always take both the verbs. So Esther, 1 minute. Esther, which tense it is?
Future continuous tense.
Which tense?
Future continuous tense.
Future continuous tense. Correct. Write down. Future continuous tense.
Ma'am,
Yes. Who is speaking? Name?
Miss Akriti Singh.
Akriti. Yes. Speak.
In this lesson, definition is also there.
First do this work. Then later what is there, what is not there, I will tell you. First complete this. Already we are very late.
Okay.
Now, next number 9. Who will read and answer? This boy, Anmol Srivastava. Yes. Anmol, read.
The players will have finished the game.
The players will have finished the games. Which are the verbs here?
Will have finished.
Good. Will have finished. Underline. Underline. Will have finished. Now, tell me the tense.
Future perfect tense.
Very good. Future perfect tense. Write down. Now mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Future perfect.
Somebody is not muted. And what she is speaking is coming to me. Please mute. After giving answer, please mute yourself. I think Akriti. Mute yourself, Akriti. Now last sentence. Who will answer? Aradhya Pandey. 5th B. Answer. Yes. Read number 10. Aradhya Pandey. Read. Number 10. My brother. You're not ready, it means, with the book. I'm not getting a sound. No, no sound. No sound. Insert that wire properly. Insert the wire properly first. Yes. Now speak. No, not getting sound. Sorry. Mute yourself. This is what you all do. Rashri, mute
Yes.
yourself. Yes, now answer Rashri. First read number 10. First read the number 10. 10th number.
My brother has stood first in the examination.
My brother has stood first in the examination. So what is the verb here? Which are the verbs?
Mm,
Okay.
brother stood.
Only stood. Only stood. One helping verb is also there.
Has stood.
Then why you're leaving has? If you will leave has or you will leave stood, then 0 you will get for this answer in exam. Just now I told you, when helping verbs are there, take helping verb and along with main verb. Okay? So has stood, right? Underline. Has stood. Underline has stood. Now Rashri, tell me which tense it is.
It is present continuous.
Very good. Rashri, very good. It is continuous tense. How? ING is used here. ING is used here. Yes or no? Rashri,
Yes, ma'am.
ING is used.
No, ma'am.
No. Then how would this will continuous tense? Continuous means ING should be there. So no ING. What are they? Helping verb has and the third form of the verb is stood. So which tense it is? Just now I taught you. Just now I explained. Actually,
Present. Present past tense.
very good. It means you are not paying attention, Rashri. You are not paying attention. This is present perfect tense. This is present perfect tense. How? Has is here. See, has. Past means has will come. This is past perfect. This is present perfect. Third form. So this is present perfect tense. Right now. Up till now, I got all correct answer. Only Rashri, you given wrong answer to me. Why? Present perfect. Please pay attention, children. It's so tough time. We are trying to teach you well, and you people also have to learn. Pay attention when teacher is teaching to you. Okay? Now mute yourself, Rashri. TV sound is coming from your backside. TV is on and teaching, learning is going on. Class is going on. How could you will understand then? So this exercise is over. This you understood, all of you? All understood? Okay. Now this next exercise is write the following sentences in the various verb forms of the tenses. Okay, this is very good. Very good exercise. By this, you will come to know that in this tense, which verb you have to use, which helping verb you have to use, this you have to write, okay? With one sentence only. And the sentence is given, she sings a song. She sings a song. Okay, now I'll tell you how. Please check your answer so that I can rub this. Please check your answer. All the answers. Check. Shall I rub? Shall I rub? Okay. When schools were running, your school was running, then you were fighting, no, for rubbing the board. Miss, I will rub. Miss, I will rub. You're showing now that thing? Which is fighting. Miss, my turn. Miss, my turn to rub the board. So please come to school and start rubbing the board. Okay? Just pray to God that the school should get open soon. Okay? So that you all come and rub this board. So next exercise is the sentence. First sentence is she sings a song, and this is present simple tense. It is already given in the book. Present simple tense. Okay, the sentence already given. She sings a song. Why it is simple present? Because S is here. Okay, so the sentence is simple present tense. Second, present continuous. So what is the answer of this? She sings a song. Anybody can write this same sentence in continuous tense, present continuous.
I
Yes.
know.
Who is? Tell your name.
Ma'am Sushanta.
Shushanta. I'm not getting you, Shushanta. I have to search.
Ma'am, in the first only raise hand option I am.
Okay, Shushanta, I'm just going back to find you. No, let other get chance. Okay? Let others get chance to answer me. Pari Kumari. Pari Kumari. Pari. Yes. Pari. My God. Pragati Tiwari, so much of noise from your side. Pari, unmute yourself. Now, answer.
Yes, ma'am.
How you will write this sentence in present continuous tense?
She is singing a song.
She is singing
Singing
a
a song.
Very good. Is singing means is used for continuous tense for the singular verb, and for using continuous tense, as I told you, we use I and G. So the answer is, write down all of you. S capital. She is singing a song. Full stop. Put full stop and underline the verb. Underline the verb, and here also underline the verb. Is singing is present continuous tense. Okay? Please write down. Underline the verbs. Put full stop here. Now your answer is completed. Second one. Gaurav Mishra. Something is. Gaurav Mishra, unmute yourself. Now, Gaurav, tell me, the next sentence you have to make a present perfect. Please make the same sentence into present perfect tense. How you will make? Fast. Unmute yourself. Yes, now say. Gaurav Mishra, please answer to me fast.
Present continuous.
No. Present perfect. Change into present perfect. Same sentence, write here as present perfect. Please be fast to answer. You're only making faces. Coming near to the camera and making a face. Why? You think I can't see you?
No, ma'am.
Aditesh Rai. Unmute yourself.
Yes, miss.
Answer. Gaurav Mishra, mute it. Aditesh Rai, please
Yes.
write and please say in present perfect tense. How you will write? She. What happened, Aditesh? Please make a sentence with present perfect tense. The same sentence only. She sings a song. She is singing a song. Third one you have to write in the present perfect tense. So how you will write? Yes. Who is saying? What happened, Aditesh? Don't know?
No, miss.
No, miss. Yes. Aditya Kumar Chaturvedi. Aditya Kumar Chaturvedi, unmute yourself and answer to me. Answer to me, Aditya. What is the answer? Present perfect. Write in the present perfect tense. You will take 5 minutes to answer. Then how your other children will get the chance? Can't hear me, Aditya? Can you hear me, Aditya? Utkarsh Singh. Utkarsh Singh. Unmute yourself.
Yes, miss.
No good morning, nothing. Huh? Forgot
Good
everything.
morning, miss.
Now tell me how to write the same sentence in perfect tense, present perfect tense. Wait, Rudransh. How you will write the sentence? Simply sitting. Yes, Rudransh. Where he gone? Rudransh, answer.
Good morning, miss.
Good morning. Yes, Rudransh.
She has sang the song.
She has sang the song. Your sentence almost correct, but main verb is wrong. Main verb. Main verb, you have to write a third form. And what is third form? Sing, sang,
Sung. She
sung.
has sung the song.
She has sung the song.
Sung the song.
Correct? Correct, Rudransh?
Yes, miss.
Write down. She has sung the song. Full stop. This way. Okay? Now, next. Who will answer? Who will answer? No, no, not raising your hand to answer. Why? Yes. Now, Ojas. Ojas, answer to me. Yes, Ojas.
She has sang a song.
She has sung a song, that is over. Now you have, wait, Ojas. Now you have to tell me that how you will write in this past, simple past tense. Same sentence, how you will write in the simple past tense. Simple past. In simple past, what you have to do? 1 minute, 1 minute. In simple past, what do you have to do? You have to change only this verb. What is the verb in the simple past? Sing.
She has sang a song.
She sang a song. She sang a song. Like capital S, she. Simple past is sang a song. Put full stop. Underline here, has sung, and underline here, sang. Please be fast so that I can complete it today. Now, next, who will answer? Swastika Prakash. Swastika Prakash, unmute and answer. Question is, change into past continuous tense. Please mute yourself. Others. Just now, who has answered me? This boy. Android Blue. What's her name? Android Blue Droid. What's her name? This boy. What's her name? Android Blue Droid. Okay, you will be marked absent. No problem. What's your name in that yellow shirt? Android. You put the name Android. Your name is Android. Huh? Pehel. Answer. Pehel? Yes. Give answer, Pehel.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Past continuous. How you will write? The same sentence, write in the past continuous tense. She Give answer, Pahel. What is the answer? This is present continuous. Now write the past continuous. What is the past continuous helping verb you will use? Like a model sitting. Akshat Tiwari. Yes, answer. Akshat Tiwari. 50. Answer. How you will write in the past continuous tense? She. Come on, say fast, Akshat. What you will write here for the answer? Past continuous. Wait, I will give all these names. Those who are not answering to me, to father. Wait. This Utkarsh Singh also there. All those who have not answered me. Samiksha Jaiswal. Samiksha Jaiswal. Answer.
Ma'am, she wears sang the song.
The same sentence you have to write here in the past continuous tense.
She wears sing a song.
She is singular subject. So what you will use? Where means plural subject. But here subject is singular. So you will use here was. Simple word. You don't know. She was singing a song. Put full stop and start with a capital letter. Put full stop at the last and start with a capital letter. Done. Now shall I drop this? All have written? Next is past perfect. What you will write? Past perfect. Who will answer? Nobody is ready to answer. Huh? Questioning is very easy. Answering is very difficult. Write down. She had sung a song. Full stop. She had sung a song. Here you underline. And here you underline. These are verbs. Had sung means past perfect tense. Completed? All have written? Now the next one. Future simple means simple future tense. How you will write? Anybody can answer to me? Nobody. Tanishi. Tanishi, answer. For simple future tense, how you will write the same sentence? This sentence into simple future tense.
She was singing a song.
She?
Was singing a song.
No, dear. This is simple future tense you have to write. She will sing a song. Very simple. She will sing a song. Write down full stop. Capital starting. Underline the verbs. Now the next sentence, future continuous tense. She will be. She will be what? Say continuous. She will be singing a song. Mute yourself. Full stop. She will be singing a song. Will be singing is future continuous tense. Okay. And the last is future perfect. Anybody can answer? Anybody can answer to this? How to write future perfect tense? Nobody. Aradhya Raj, can you able to answer me? Aradhya Raj? Aradhya Raj, fast. Answer. Yes. Unmute yourself, Aradhya. Unmute yourself. Answer to me for the last sentence of this exercise. Somin. Yes. Somin. Okay. Aradhya Raj, you mute yourself. Somin.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer. Good morning. Now answer the last one.
She will sing a song.
Huh?
She will sing a song.
She
Will
slowly. Will.
sing a song.
No, she will sang totally wrong sentence. How could she will?
Oh, no.
Huh? She will sang. She will have. This is future perfect. She will have sung a song. Okay? She will have sung a song. Write down. What is that? Huh? Somin, you? Okay, I'll find out who made this sound. I will find out and then give the notice to you. Don't worry. I'll find out who had made this sound. Wait. Now, okay, this exercise is over. The last one is left. We'll do in the next session. I'm giving you one sentence that you write down in all these tenses as just now you have done in the book. Understood? In your rough copy. In your rough copy. Come on. Write down a very simple sentence I'm giving you. Over in your rough copy. She cooks food. Simple present tense. And what you have to do? You have to write all the tenses. You have to write this way. All the tenses. These all tenses are given. Just now you have written over here. Same way you do in your rough copy. In your rough copy. Sentences. She cooks food. This is your homework for today. Now we'll meet on Monday. Then we'll do it. The last exercise. Okay. So till then, take care. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Sound comes so nice.